negative 2 will be negative 10y, and 5 times 6 is 30. Now, the goal here is we want these x's to cancel out if we were to add these two equations. So right now, leaving it as it is, if I added them, I would get 30x. They wouldn't cancel out. So I need to go into the second equation and change the signs of each of them. I want that 15x to be a negative 15x. If I change the sign of this one, I need to change the signs of all of them. Now I can add them. So 15 minus the 15x would cancel out and be 0. The next one would be negative 12y plus 10y gives me a negative 2y. And that would equal 30 minus 30, which is 0. To solve for y, all I do now is divide by negative 2. And my y value for my coordinate pair for the solution is 0. This is only half of your answer. Remember, when we solve linear systems of equations, that the answer set is a coordinate pair. So I'm going to take this y value, 0, and plug it in for a y, substitute it in here, and solve for x to find my other variable. So I'll use the first one, 5x minus 4, and I'm replacing y with 0 equals 10. This is a simple equation, just solving for one variable. Negative 4 times 0 will give me 0. So now I have 5x plus 0 equals 10. When I simplify this, I get 5x equals 10. To finalize my answer, divide by 5. And x is 2. So now I have my y value and my x value. So for my final answer, I would have the coordinate pair 2, 0. And again, that's where those two lines cross.